Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we'll look at the median in biostatistics. The median in terms of the biostatistics. So this median is a central element in a distribution. So it's a central element, and this is in a distribution when all elements are arranged in order. When they are arranged in order. So in a distribution that has an odd number of elements. So what if you have odd number of elements? So in such cases, the median is a middle value. So it is a middle value. So in a distribution has even number. So if it has an even number of elements, so what we have is that the median is the average of the middle values. So it is the average of the middle values. That is the arithmetical mean of the two middle values. So it is a arithmetic mean of the two middle values. So the median, it is not sensitive to extreme values. So if you look at the median, it is not sensitive. It is not sensitive to extreme values. So it is not sensitive to the extreme values. That is the outliers. That is the outliers. And it is preferred measure of location for every skewed distributions. So it is preferred measure. It is a preferred measure of location. Preferred measure of location for every skewed distribution. The drawback of the median is that, what is the drawback? The drawback of the median is that it doesn't respond to the actual values. It doesn't respond to the actual values of elements, but only to the number of values above or below it. So the values, only to the values above or below it. So if you look at the median, the median is going to be, it is the same value as the 50th percentile. It is nothing but the same value as a 50th centile. Next is symbolized by the MDN. It is maybe symbolized as MDN. And this median, it can be arrived at an ordinal, as an interval, as well as a ratio data scales.